Right, so we have to put Pluto over here and just hope that this is a hot mess. Hi everybody!
Hi everybody!
Welcome to another episode. It's been a really long time, but we plan on being back and back for good. So today we want to share the fact that we went to Popmart in Korea.
And I have a Labubu.
And she has a new Labubu, so we want to do an unboxing for you guys. We went to the Popmart in Busan, Jin, or also known as, hold on, I will tell you guys, in the Samjung Tower. It's about 27 minutes away from where we live. So I told the kids, let's go. We had to join a line. The line took us about
half an hour.
No, it was less than that, like 15 minutes to get in, and it was a really well-organized store, but there was a lot going on. So that was good for me because the girls got overwhelmed and they didn't pick up too many things, but we picked up enough to do an unboxing for you guys, and we're excited because there's a lot of mystery boxes in here as well, and these two Rugrats will be doing the unboxing for us today.
Hi.
So let's get started.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right. So the first one we have is called the Monsters 1 a.m. All right. And then these are the options that you could possibly have.
Let's see what we get.
So
there's other color of Labubu.
Yes, there's other colors. So who wants to open this one?
Aria.
Oh, Aria, I think you're the one. All right, let's do it neatly. What you can show the camera.
This. Oopsies. Oh, so what's very nice, it comes with a little string so you can't rip anything. So let's see what we get.
Let's see.
Which one do you guys want?
So we got that one.
Which guys do you want?
We got this, actually, not that one. And drum roll.
We have. Which one do we have? This one.
Sweet Dream Time.
Sweet Dream Time. I was thinking about like this. So cute.
It is cute.
Okay.
All right. So Sweet Dream Time. What a cutie patootie. Okay. So inside the box comes the card as usual. The Labubus always have those cards.
The monsters.
All right. And the next one is the Big Into Energy mystery box. So this is our second box opening of this one. We have one already. Do you want to show them the one that came?
Yeah.
He has a Band-Aid on, which we still are not able to take out. So there we go. All right.
He's hurting.
Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And she's opening. Here, show everybody. Okay, that's not the way to open a box, but this is an unboxing with kids. So we'll just go. All right, let's see what else is in the box before we untie that. Okay, so it comes in a little bag. Okay, so she looked at the card, and here we go. That's actually the one you wanted, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Can you show them, Dia? That one is Luck. So she got Luck. Are we ready? Next one. Dia, you can grab first. And then Aria, you can grab next. It's okay, you can open that one. All right, we are going to have Aria open the next box. Can I show them what you grabbed? Okay, so she has
I grabbed a different one.
Princess, Create Your Own World. And then these are the options that you can possibly get. So let's see which one she gets. All right. You want to open it up so everybody can see? Start the decorating section right there. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's the base. Careful. Okay, can you show them how it's packaged? All right, so it's packaged like this. The base came out first. Oh, I see a bow and arrow. And the grass. I think I have an idea who it is. Let's see. It's not Ariel, though.
Marita? Who's Marita?
So we got Marita from Brave. She's looking cute. All right, you want to hold her? Hold her so we can see, and then we can make the globe.
My turn.
Hold on, let's put her together. All right. So her pieces include, she has the arrow in her mouth, so that's the bow. And then the base with her name here. And then we just, can I have her? We just plug her in. Her foot has the hole here. And then there's the base plug-in right there. So, okay, so that took a couple of minutes, but this is how it looks when it's put together. So this is the view, so it's kind of like to the side, I believe. But yeah, really cute. All right.
My turn?
Yeah, yes, your turn. So let's put this on the side. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show them? So she has the Mickey family cute together keychain. And then these are the options that we could possibly get. All right.
Hello. I just got comfortable.
This is some vicious unboxing. The card's in there, but we're not going to look at the card yet. And we got Pluto. Pluto. Well, you want a Pluto, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and Pluto comes
It's okay,
with.
Tia.
Well, Teddy likes Pluto. Teddy's here to say hi to Pluto. And then this is the card. And so you can give it as a gift. It says to and from. This is not for you, Teddy. Teddy thinks it's a toy for him. All right, boy, come on. All right, go. No. Well, before we move on to unboxing, there is one that we don't have to unbox that I picked up. It is called Wings of Fortune. It is another part of the Monsters collection. I thought it was really cute, and it'll stay in this box because I want to keep it looking nice, because as you can see, when we open up our little boo-boos, they end up getting boo-boos and need band-aids. So we're going to keep this one in the box. All right, let's set that one aside. All right. All right, Aria, you get to choose first.
He's
All right, Dia, you choose next. Okay, all right, and then we are going to open Aria's first. She has Crying to the Moon. All right, and why did you choose this one? Is there a specific reason why you wanted one of these?
It's because I don't like Labubu's, and they're really scary. I'm really scared.
Okay, so these are the options that you can get.
I want the mystery one.
You want the mystery? Oh, you want like a secret one.
Yeah, secret.
All right, let's see what you get. Let's open it up.
If I don't have the secret, if I don't get the secret one,
Which one do you want?
I want
this.
This one.
Okay, can you read it?
The half moon.
The half moon. Okay. All right, can you open it?
Oh, please. And we have
Can I see?
Spacey.
Let me see. Oh yeah, we got the rabbit. Is it the rabbit? No. It is the first boy on the moon. The first boy on the moon. This is cute. And the card looks like this.
Cutie beeps.
Cutesy Bootsy. Part of the Crybaby collection. All right.
My turn.
Yes, your turn. Put the box over there. All right. So another Princess Fairy Tales box. These are the options on what we can possibly get. Here. Let me tear it from here. Can I tear it?
No, me.
Okay. All right, she's got a book. And she had to open up the book. And we have Snow White. Yay, Snow White. Okay. This is really cute.
Now Snow White.
Oh, this is awesome. This one's cute. I like this.
Can I see?
Can you take the card out? Let's see what the card looks like.
It shows where Snow White was made, and it shows the evil lady.
With a poisoned apple. All right. There we go. And this is how the card looks.
Can I have it?
Yeah, you can choose first. All right. She has a... No, you got it. You got to open it. That's the Minions box.
Minion.
And then Aria has the Labubu
The little tiny little
keychain. All right. So come closer, Ar, so they can see you. All right. So Aria got Pin for Love, Monsters Collection, and these are the possible ones that she can...
I want to get the purple one.
You want the purple. Okay, so they have like a lavender, and then they have like a deeper purple. Looks like.
Lavender.
Okay.
Or deeper purple. Like what I'm wearing.
All right. Okay. Ready? All right. Let's see. All right. So it comes in a cute little bag like this that says "Pin for Love" on it. All right. I'm gonna untie the knot for you. Okay. There we go. Oh, she got the purple one! Look at that! Yay! So cute! And this is the card that it comes with. Oh, and it's like a sticker.
Lavender.
It's a sticker, so you can put the sticker on it too. This is cute. I really like this one.
I like my own one.
Huh.
She got this.
That's cute.
She got this one.
Ah, M for motivation. Look at that. I was wondering what the letters stood for. So she got the one for motivation. All right. So Dia has the Minions box. All right. Bedtime Stories by Bob and Tim. And then these are the possible options of what she can get. All right. Let's see. Go for it. Definitely don't plan on being able to keep any of these boxes.
Yes, you right. Brother's still showing.
All right, don't look at the card, just pull out. Okay. So this one here has a teddy bear. All right, yes, a little teddy bear and a bedtime storybook. So let's not spoil the fun in looking at the back. So let's just see, let's open it. There we go. I just did it. All right, take it out.
Take it out.
Oh, cute. Can I see the box? We got airplane safety. We got airplane safety. She's cute.
I was thinking about airplane safety too.
Yeah, this is cute.
You
And then the
stay-
box,
You should.
like all of them, comes with a little bit of a, okay, that's me.
You should.
So, all right. I am going to open the last one. Oops. This one is Stitch, Little Emotions. All right, and
It's
then
mine.
these are the possible ones that you can get.
Which one do you want?
I want, like all smiles. I think all smiles is cute.
Do you want
like
Angel?
Grumpy?
Yeah, I want Angel.
And which one do you like?
Angel.
And you want Angel. That one's act spoiled. I don't think there's an Angel. You want the spoiled one and you want the grumpy one and I want the smiley one. Let's see what we get.
You better not hide. You better not shine. Stand up.
All right, I'm no better than them. Let's see. Maybe a little bit better. Let's see. Oh, Mom doesn't open this one, so I'm not gonna look at the card. Don't look at the card, I got being a couch potato. Look at that.
Potato. Couch potato.
Cutie
That's
patootie.
me.
Oh, this one's cute. I'd love to do another unboxing. This is cute. All right. So grand total for all of these items were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. Came out to 196,800 won, which is equitable to maybe about $150. I'll give the exact equivalency in the description below. But yeah, so we went to Popmart and we did our thing and we got some stuff. This is our first unboxing. It was a lot of fun and we hope to do it again. So everybody is holding their favorite one from the unboxing.
And this one too.
What was your guys' favorites?
I like this one. Subscribe.
Oh, there we go. She likes that one, and I like this one. This one's my favorite, but I'm a Disney person, so this is like the best. And we also have a message for you guys. What do you want them to do?
Subscribe to the Personi Factory.
Subscribe. If you guys are interested in seeing how the store looked, we have a short that you can check out to see the inside of the store.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.